everyone! Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes in the fight against bad microbes? Well, for the past few months, I've had the incredible opportunity to find out firsthand. I am Trisha Gwen Manalo and I just wrapped up my internship at the National Institute of Molecular Biology and Biotechnology or BIOTECH, specifically in their antibiotics laboratory at the University of the Philippines, Los Baños. And let me tell you, it was an experience that truly opened my eyes to the world of microbiology and drug discovery. UPLB Biotech is a hub for groundbreaking research, and their antibiotics laboratory is at the forefront of discovering new antimicrobial compounds, especially from actinobacteria found right here in the Philippines. It's a vital work, especially with the rise threat of antibiotic resistance. From day one, I was immersed in the daily rhythm of a research lab. It wasn't just about observation, I was hands-on with some truly fascinating experiments. My primary focus during the internship revolved around microbial culture and isolation. I dove deep into a range of essential microbiological techniques. We started with the basics, mastering media preparation to create the perfect environment for our microbial friends, and then moved on to microscopy to observe their unique characteristics. I learned that critical techniques of aseptic manipulation that is crucial for preventing contamination and how to properly culture various bacterial strains. We worked with both known strains and, more excitingly, environmental isolates. Further identify and characterize these compounds, I also learned thin layer chromatography with bioautography. This powerful technique allowed us to separate compounds in an extract and then immediately test which ones had antimicrobial activity directly on the TLC plate. One of the exciting parts of this internship was our sampling trip to my high Laguna. Getting out of the lab and into the field to collect soil samples was an incredible experience. Back in the lab, a significant part of my work involved antimicrobial susceptibility testing, where we determine how effective a potential antibiotic compound is against different bacteria. I gained hands-on experience with techniques like the agar plant assay and the cup cylinder assay. These methods allowed us to test food extracts and purified compounds for their antimicrobial properties. Seeing those clear zones of inhibition, that clear circle around the compound, appear for the first time was incredibly rewarding. It's a tangible representation of science in action, showing the potential to combat harmful bacteria and fungi. But my learning didn't stop there. I also ventured into the fascinating world of molecular biology. I got to perform DNA extraction from our microbial isolates, carefully isolating their genetic material. This DNA served as a template for polymerase chain reaction or PCR, a technique that amplifies specific DNA sequences that allowing us to identify and characterize our actinobacteria at a genetic level. Finally, I learned gel electrophoresis, which allowed us to visualize the PCR products and confirm our DNA amplification. I was fortunate to be mentored by Ma'am Irene A. Papa and Miss Eliza De Castro, who guided me through complex procedures and helped me understand the bigger picture of our work. Their insights were invaluable. This internship wasn't just about gaining technical skills, rather it was about understanding the impact of scientific research on real-world problems. If you're looking for a project-based internship where you can truly dive and contribute to a specific research objective, the Antibiotics Lab at UPLB Biotech is definitely the right place for you. You get to see a project through the sampling, all the way to initial characterization. Time at the UPLB Biotech Antibiotics Laboratory has solidified my passion for science and given me a clear direction for my future. I'm incredibly grateful for this opportunity.